Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel SpareRoom subscription. All right. To cancel a SpareRoom subscription, you'll have to contact the SpareRoom support directly. All right. You won't be able to find any cancel subscription button right here. You can either email, call, or use the cancellation from this website. Now, if you want to just call them, I'm going to go ahead and leave the number right here. This is what you're going to call. All right. I'm going to zoom in, pause the video. If you want to call them, just go ahead and do so. All right. After that, there's another option. As I've said earlier, we will have to contact them. Go ahead and go to your profile right here at the top right. Now hover your mouse onto contact support. Click on it. Down here, it says contact us by email or phone. Here on the drop down, just select your query. For example, cancel subscription. Click on it and hit on next. It says here, I don't have an active upgrade to cancel at the moment, but if you do have an active upgrade, you'll be able to find a step-by-step guide right here. If not, just go ahead and click on contact us. All right. As you can see here, my name is listed as well as my email. Now you can go ahead and put your message right here. Like, for example, good day. I need help canceling my subscription. Then just click on this I'm not a robot tick box and just follow the simple verification process. All right. Bicycles right here, motorcycles. Once ticked, just hit on send. If not, again, you can go ahead and make a call right here for UK and for USA. All right. And they are available from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. and weekends at 10 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. That is it. If you did send the request right here, email, wait for the SpareRoom support's response. All right. You will receive it via this email that is listed right here. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.